Okay, this is problem 5 from chapter 9 of CFIN7. Zebra Fashions is evaluating capital budgeting project that should generate $104,400 for 4 years. If its required rate of return is 16%, what is the value of the project to Zebra? So we're just doing an NPV, so equals NPV. So the rate is 16%, comma, and then we just capture all the cash flows and then hit return. So that's $292,130.06. So next we have Leopard Fashions evaluates the same project with its required rate of return of 12%. What will it determine the value of the project to be? So a lower required rate of return means the value of the project is going to be greater to Leopard Fashions. I could just copy this over, hit Control C, Control V, and if I move the cursor to right here, but equals NPV, so rate, comma, and highlight the cash flows, hit return. So $317,999.27. So the project is more valuable to Leopard because its cost of capital or required rate of return is lower. So different firms are going to have different costs of capitals. So